Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to move rows and columns in Excel without overwriting existing data. Moving a row first, select the entire row you want to move. Hold down the Shift key, then move your mouse pointer to the top or bottom edge of the selection, depending on which way you want to move the row. When your pointer changes to a 4-arrow cursor, click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the row to the new position. You'll see a green insertion bar. Release the mouse button, then release Shift. The row moves without replacing any existing rows. Moving a column. Select the column you want to move. Hold down Shift, then move your pointer to the left or right edge depending on the direction. When the cursor changes to 4 arrows, click and drag the column to the new location. A green insertion bar shows where the column will go. Release the mouse button and then release Shift. The column moves safely without overwriting anything. Moving a selection of cells. If your sheet has multiple datasets, it's better to move just the cells instead of entire rows or columns. Select the cells you want to move. Hold Shift and click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the selection to the new position. If the insertion bar doesn't look right, horizontal versus vertical, adjust your cursor until it shows the correct bar. Release the mouse, then release Shift. This works the same way for columns of selected cells. And that's it. A fast way to move rows, columns, or selections in Excel without replacing data. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.